3 out of 6 in the boys 4x2 white unseeded varsity. Again, all 6 teams on the line. On the inside in 1, boys and girls. In 2, Abington Friends. In 3, Penn Ridge. In 4, Strathaven. In 5, Valley Stream. And in 6, Bensalem. So 4 Pennsylvania schools, 2 New York schools. There can only be 1 winner in this heat, though. And we'll see who that is on the outside. Bensalem looking well in lane 6 in the blue. They've got the crucial lead heading into the break. But on the inside, with an almost backward leaning style, it seems to be working, though. I believe that is Penn Ridge. We'll sort these teams out there. With the 4, that's Strathaven, actually. So Haven gets it in second, trying to chase down Bensalem, 47-48 at the 400-meter mark. Abington Friends actually got to the quarter before Strathaven. So it's Bensalem being chased by Strathaven. And with 100 meters to go, it is Bensalem, Pennsylvania, looking for a 1:33. That's the time to beat. It's going to be awfully close. 1:33 low. I think they got there. 1:33.57 and a 1:53.23. 1:33.23, that is, to take the win and a new leading time. Bensalem sets the mark. Strathaven in second. Abington Friends in third. Some fast times galore here at Ocean Breeze.